The Shop and Save Super Rugby Pacific heads into Round 5. The Fijian Drua have announced their team lineup for the upcoming match against the Brumbies in Canberra. Here's the players of the starting 15. Forwards. Heraiti Heated. Loosehead prop, a consistent performer in the front row. Heated has been instrumental in scrummaging and open play. Zurio Tojiatama. Hooker Tojiatama has been reliable in lineouts and has contributed to the team's forward momentum. Mesaki Donk. Tight head prop Donk brings experience and strength to the scrum, playing a key role in stabilizing the set piece. Mesaki Vosavos. Lock Vosavos has been effective in lineouts and provides physicality in the engine room. Isoa Nesilasila. Lock Nesilasila's work rate around the park and in set pieces has been commendable. Meli Derenalagi. Blindside flanker. After an impressive outing last week, Derenalagi moves to blindside flanker. He scored a try in the recent victory against the Chiefs, showcasing his versatility. Motikiai Murray, open side flanker. The young flanker has shown promise with his agility and defensive work. Isoa Canakaivata. Number 8 Canakaivata's ball-carrying abilities have added dynamism to the Drua's forward pack. Backs. Frank Lomani. Scrum half. Co-captain Lomani's leadership and quick decision-making have been pivotal. He has scored 4 tries this season, making him one of the team's top try scorers. Isaiah Armstrong-Ravula. Fly half Armstrong-Ravula has been influential in directing play. In the match against the Chiefs, he contributed 13 points through conversions and penalties. Ponipate Loganamasi. Left wing named last week's home basics player of the match. Loganamasi has been electric on the wing, consistently breaking defenses. Tui Draki Samusamuvodre. Inside center shifting to inside center, Samusamuvodre has been effective in both attack and defense, providing stability in the midfield. Isefo Masi. Outside center returning from injury, Masi's presence is expected to bolster the Drua's attacking options. Sales Tino Ravitomada. Right wing a fan favorite. Ravitomada on the right wing. View 8 Karawalevu. Fullback Karawalevu has been solid at the back, contributing both defensively and offensively. He scored a crucial try in the recent win over the Chiefs. Head coach Glen Jackson has strategically selected a bench aimed at providing impactful support across all positions. The Drua have opted for a more holistic bench. 16. Tavita Ikenavere Hooker. Co-captain. As co-captain, Ikenavere brings leadership and experience to the squad. His dynamic play style and reliability in set pieces make him a crucial asset when coming off the bench. 17. Imosi Tukiri. Loosehead prop Tukiri has been effective in scrummaging and open play. His strength and technique provide stability in the front row, making him a valuable substitute to maintain forward momentum. 18. Samu Tuwai. Tight head prop Tuwai's versatility allows him to cover multiple positions in the front row. His scrummaging prowess and work rate have been evident in previous matches, offering fresh energy against tiring opposition. 19. Vilib Maramara. Lock or flanker Miramira's adaptability enables him to cover both lock and flanker positions. His athleticism and line-out skills add depth to the forward pack, providing tactical flexibility for the coaching staff. 20. Itonia Wanga. Loose forward Wanga's inclusion, as loose forward cover brings additional physicality and defensive strength. His ability to disrupt opposition play at the breakdown is a key component of the Drua's strategy. 21. Isoa Tuwai. Loose forward Tuwai's dynamic playing style and ball-carrying abilities offer an offensive edge. His speed and agility make him a threat in open play, contributing to the team's attacking options. 22. Simi Karuvali. Scrum half Karuvali's quick decision-making and accurate passing have been instrumental in maintaining the tempo of the game. His experience and composure under pressure provide stability when introduced. 23. Sikeli Rabitu. Backline cover Rabitu's versatility across the backline allows him to slot into various positions as needed. His defensive capabilities and tactical awareness make him a reliable option to counter the Brumbies' attacking game. Fijian's victory over the Chiefs was a massive statement for the Fijian Drua, showing their ability to compete with the best in Super Rugby. Taking down the ladder leaders in such a close contest proves their resilience and attacking flair. Heading into their match against the Brumbies, the Fijian Drua as their Thimby War dance as we will look to the heavens. That's where our source of everything to maintain their intensity, as the Brumbies are known for their set-piece dominance. If they can replicate their physicality and attacking efficiency from the Chiefs game, they have a real shot at securing their first ever win in Canberra. For the Brumbies, head coach Stephen Larkham has announced a strong lineup, bolstered by the return of key players. Here's a breakdown of the starting 15 and finishers. Starting 15. James Slipper. Prop, the veteran prop, is set to become the second most capped player in Super Rugby history with 186 caps, surpassing Aaron Smith. Despite this personal milestone, the 35-year-old remained focused on achieving success with the Brumbies. Reuters. Billy Pollard. Hooker, a dynamic player known for his agility and strength in set pieces, Pollard has been instrumental in the Brumbies' forward pack this season. Alan Alaletoa, prop as a co-captain, Alaletoa brings leadership and experience to the front row, consistently delivering solid performances in scrums and open play. Nick Frost, lock Frost athleticism and line-out expertise have been crucial for the Brumbies, providing stability and options in set pieces. Lock Shaw has shown promise with his work rate and physicality, contributing effectively in both defense and attack. Tom Hooper, blindside flanker Hooper has been a defensive powerhouse, making 20 tackles in the recent match against the Blues. His relentless work ethic adds resilience to the Brumbies' defense. Rory Scott, open side flanker matching Hooper's defensive efforts. Scott also recorded 20 tackles against the Blues, showcasing his commitment and tackling prowess. Charlie Cale, number 8 Cale's ball-carrying abilities and versatility make him a key component in the Brumbies' back row, providing momentum in attack. Ryan Lonergan, scrum half known for his quick decision-making and accurate passing, Lonergan has been effective in directing play and maintaining the team's tempo. Noah Lolesio, fly half returning to the starting lineup. Lolesio's playmaking skills and game management are expected to enhance the Brumbies' attacking strategies. Corey Toole, left wing Toole's speed and agility make him a constant threat on the wing, capable of breaking defenses and creating scoring opportunities. David Filioi, inside centre after composed debut. Filioi retains a number 12 jersey, bringing stability and creativity to the midfield. Len Iketel, outside centre Iketel's defensive solidity and attacking flair have been instrumental in the Brumbies' backline, consistently performing at a high level. Andy Muirhead, right wing Muirhead has been in exceptional form, leading the team with 3 tries this season, showcasing his finishing abilities. Wikipedia, Tom Wright, fullback Wright's versatility and counter-attacking skills provide the Brumbies with an additional attacking dimension from the back. Finishers, Lachlan Lonergan. Hooker Lonergan's dynamic play and accuracy in lineouts make him a valuable asset off the bench, ensuring continuity in set pieces. Blake Shoop, prop Shoop strength and scrummaging and mobility around the park provide fresh energy to the front row in the latter stages of the game. Theo Fotueka, prop Fotueka's experience and power add depth to the Brumbies' front row, maintaining stability in scrums. Cadian Neville, Lock Neville's line-out expertise and physical presence offer reinforcement in the second row, contributing to both defensive and offensive plays. Luke Reimer, flanker set to earn his 50th Brumbies cap. Reimer has been impactful off the bench, notably scoring 2 tries against the Drua in round 1 in Suva. Harrison Goddard, scrum half Goddard's quick service and tactical awareness provide a seamless transition when introduced, keeping the opposition on their toes. Declan Meredith, fly half Meredith's excellent start to the season adds depth to the fly half position, offering a reliable option with strong game management skills. Ollie Sapsford, utility back Sapsford's versatility across the backline allows him to cover multiple positions, providing strategic flexibility for the coaching staff. The Brumbies have experienced a mixed start to the season, with a record of 1 win and 2 losses. The return of key players like Noah Lolesio and the consistent form of others, such as Andy Muirhead and James Slipper, are expected to bolster the team's efforts in this match. Fijian's victory over the Chiefs was a massive statement for the Fijian Drua, showing their ability to compete with the best in Super Rugby. Taking down the ladder leaders in such a close contest proves their resilience and attacking flair. Heading into their match against the Brumbies, the Fijian Drua as their Thimby War dance as we will look to the heavens. That's where our source of everything to maintain their intensity, as the Brumbies are known for their set-piece dominance. If they can replicate their physicality and attacking efficiency from the Chiefs game, they have a real shot at securing their first ever win in Canberra.